look at all these beautiful things you can do with pottery. Oh my God, the beautiful colours. I wanted to tell you that I've got this free gift, pottery, playing in clay. So we've set up a brand new, fantastic fun clay play day. Free, completely free. And you'll even get free clay. I want everyone to see how much fun it is to make things in clay. Get your hands dirty and mucky, playing in clay. It's just delicious. It's the best feeling you've ever had. You won't believe how much fun it is. So anything that you can push around with clay and make, you can make a little figurine, a little pot, anything you like, and I'll show you step by step how to do it and also give you lots of help. It's about being creative and trying brand new things. I've got my Bellbowrie hat on, and I've also got my tiger shoes on. It's going to be a hoot of fun. You can be in your PJs if you want to, or you could dress up in your favourite hat. So I can't wait to see you in that session.